In this tutorial, you will learn how to use keyword matching operators. Keyword matching operators enable you to deliver the right ads for the right search keywords. There are 4 different operators you can use: broad match, phrase match plus, exact match. With broad match, the ad will be delivered when the words in the keyword are found in a search query in any order, anywhere in the query. Let's take an example. I'm adding a broad match keyword in the keyword field. The ad will be delivered as long as the 3 words in the keyword exist in the search query, regardless of the position or the order they are found in the query. With phrase match, the ad will be delivered when the words in the keyword are found in a search query in any order and next to each other. With phrase match plus, the ad will be delivered when words in the keyword are found in a search query in the same order. With exact match, as the name implies, the ad will only be delivered when the term is found exactly as it is. And there you have it. You now know how to use keyword matching operators with your keywords. Matching operators are extremely important to the success of your campaign, so make sure to use them correctly and effectively to get the most out of your campaign budget. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.